This is Cia Smith reporting to you from Georgia, and a wind advisory has been issued for Minnesota until 7 p.m. This is Cia Smith reporting to you from Georgia. Temperature is now 55 degrees, and the precipitation is expected to be 0% chance for today, so a no chance of rain, and the humidity is 46%. This is Cia Smith reporting to you from Georgia. Actress and singer Miley Cyrus is okay after lightning struck her private jet. This is Cia Smith reporting to you from Georgia. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bar so you can see all my latest videos. Thanks for watching.